This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the front subframe rear mounting. Fully unscrew the wheel nuts and remove the wheel. Use a large screwdriver to lever the caliper outwards a little, pushing the piston back. Remove the retaining spring clip. Prise out the plastic caps from the lower and upper guide pins, then use an Allen key or bit to unscrew and remove the guide pins. Slide the caliper from place and suspend it from the suspension strut to prevent straining the rubber hose. Prise the outer brake pad from the mounting bracket. Pull the inner pad from the caliper piston. Measure the thickness of the pad friction material. If any pad is worn down to 2 mm or less, all 4 front brake pads must be renewed. If the pads are to be reused, clean them using brake cleaner and a brush. Use the brush and brake cleaner to remove dirt and debris from the caliper and mounting bracket. If new pads are to be fitted, the piston must be pushed fully back into the caliper body. Ideally, this should be done using a piston retraction tool, although a G-clamp will suffice. Keep an eye on the fluid level in the reservoir as the piston is retracted. If necessary, remove any excess fluid with a syringe. Press the inner brake pad retaining clip into the caliper piston. Fit the outer brake pad to the mounting bracket, ensuring the friction material is against the disc face. Slide the caliper into place, then insert the guide pins and tighten them to the specified torque. Refit the plastic caps to the lower and upper guide pins. Refit the retaining spring clip to the caliper and mounting bracket. Repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the disc. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front brake. Apply a little anti-seize grease to the hub collar. Locate the wheel over the hub studs, then refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Open the bonnet slightly, then lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located under a cover at the rear of the engine compartment. Release the clip and remove the cover from the scuttle panel. Wipe clean the area around the filler cap, then unscrew it. The maximum and minimum level marks are visible once the cap is removed. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If necessary, add new .4 fluid from a sealed container to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Mop up any spilled fluid and securely refit the cap. Refit the cover. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.